going to show you how to get cold outreach on Lemlist damn near automated, specifically turning Loom videos into clickable GIF thumbnails in your emails. I made a done for you lead sheet and a template Google Doc. Both are going to be in the description below. All you got to do is copy the sheet, copy the code, run it, and you're set. Here's the lead sheet. This is where everything sits: website, company name, first name, role, email, LinkedIn, etc. Standard stuff, right? The only column that matters for this video is Loom column. It's 2026 and email should at least try to feel like a one-on-one message. Notice this Loom cell. It's not a clean URL. It's a hyperlinked text. It might say watch video or the title of the Loom. That looks fine inside the sheets, but it's exactly what breaks when you export it. I'm gonna head over to Loom, and let's say you already recorded a bunch of videos. First thing is access. Make sure it's set to anyone with the link can view. Now I go to embed and I copy the GIF thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this into a random cell first in our lead sheet just to show you what happens. As you can see, it doesn't paste as a clean URL. It pastes as a title and becomes a hyperlink. When you import into Lemlist, you import a CSV. CSV does not reliably preserve the hidden hyperlink behind the words. So if your cells are showing watch video, that's exactly what Lemlist imports. You could manually paste 2 clean values per every lead, but it's just extremely slow. And you're doing this for dozens, maybe hundreds of leads. Make sure you have an extension tab on your sheet. To do this, search sheet.new and then import your old lead sheet if you didn't have it before. You hit extension, app scripts. Go to the doc, copy the code, paste it into the app scripts, and there's also an optional HTML snippet for Lemlist. I'll show you that part later, but right now we're just extracting the clean values. So back to app script, I'm gonna paste the code from the doc right here. Again, you don't need to understand the code, and right here is all fluff, you don't really need it. Press save. You just need to run the actual code. First, I run the setup function. This creates 2 columns for you. As you can see, Loom URL and Loom thumbnail. Now I run the build function. This is the one that fills everything down the sheet. So now it's populated. Here's the thumbnail GIF URL. This is what we use to render the thumbnail inside Lemlist. Now we have to export the sheet as a CSV file. So first, you download the CSV. Now we move into Lemlist. In Lemlist, you're gonna hit create campaign, hit manual, and then hit email. You're gonna go to lead list, and then you're gonna import the CSV and map the variables. The only new variables you really need are those 2, the raw Loom URL and the thumbnail GIF URL. You're gonna go ahead and press continue. And I check off these boxes for the sake of simplicity. I also want to keep my credits. So then you're gonna hit import leads. Now you can see all of your leads, first name, last name, contacts. We're gonna hit sequence. This is where we compose the email. And it's very important to have a reputable domain with at least a 79 deliverability score. Make your subject line, I put RE to make it seem like a reply thread. Some may say it's deceiving, others say smart marketing. Then you paste all your elements of personalized copy. I advise you guys not to use this specific example. So go ahead, I'm gonna turn it to Barry Allen real quick. Now for the juicy part, you have to press more rich, the 3 dots, or Control P, insert image, add image from custom variable, select the thumbnail URL. So there's the image, but you aren't done yet because it isn't clickable. So click on the image, insert link, and then custom variables, and find your raw URL variable. Make sure you select open in new tab and press insert. And there you have it, a clickable thumbnail GIF in your personalized emails. Here's actually the lazy way. If you've made it this far, like and subscribe. You can hit more rich, code view, paste the HTML snippet at the bottom of the doc and the link in the description, and it'll do all of it for you. Same way, just looks different.